1194 video, Lucas here. Today I'm giving you an update on that red Mustang that was in my brother's shop that he was working on. The one that was in the beginning of the video. He's got it finished back here, and I'm gonna give you a walk around and show you what this thing looks like. Right here it is. It's a nice looking car. I'm doing this video on my iPhone, so just kind of bear with me. I know I'm shaking just a little bit, but here it is. Show you the interior. If you remember, this is the car that had vice grips on the steering column. But it's got a little dust in it, but that ain't gonna hurt the looks of it. You want to crack it up? Get my brother in there to start it up. Alright, I'm going to let my brother crank this car up for everyone. This is the car that was the red one in his shop.